Freaking take my gum today. Okay.
You gonna use that gum that we got?
Yeah. So the next,
I put that lady on, whatchamacallit.
the next sensation I have.
Really, DB? She's like, you bitches.
Whatchamacallit?
That's what I'm supposed to do, right?
Hey.
Oh, not you. I'm so this nigga.
DB's one of the guys that's like, what, bitches? And we're like, hey. Then put it back up. Like, I'm like, no.
He can't shoot that.
Oh.
That one you have to do with your hand.
Oh, okay. I'm like, it looked like he was like, what? Huh? You scared me?
Mom, where'd you put that camera that, whatchamacallit gave us? What do we need to do to it?
We gotta get the cord to charge it.
You probably have it.
We'll go to the camera store. There's like a camera store right there by the town center.
Is there?
Or did they move it?
I don't
They
know.
might have moved it.
The day of Oriana's thing, I went to, by the mall.
That's where they did it? No, I'm not in the
Remember I told you.
Where we put the instructions to the pool? I wanted to read how sturdy those things are. Yeah.
You have new names to learn.
but she watched.
Okay,
They watched theirs, but
That's
I'm just like.
Hannah and Jessica.
Oh, Hannah and Jessica. Jessica. Oh, Hannah. Hannah. Oh, so my face, I have to do that all the Hannah. You can call me Ray.
Wait, introduce them to us.
Ariana, even the videos that I record here go to your thing?
Yeah.
The video too?
Everything.
Jessica,
Wow.
I would like for you to meet Angel, that's Jessica. Makasi, Hannah.
Maybe I'll spit this fire right
We're the what? We're the what?
I thought this was a stanky leg at first.
That's why I don't know if that's what
Mm-mm.
Well, don't you have indigestion too?
Hey, get out of here. Yeah, you. Get out of here. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. That is scary. Oh my god, I hope nothing's
What?
wrong with you. She has a little internet.
Oh my gosh, you better go get that checked out.
On Tuesday, but it's been like almost a whole year since I've had medical, so
Ouch.
it's not even my fault. Yeah. And then I got the fucking Obamacare, and they're fucking charging me $134 a month.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Babe, didn't we just hear the dude said lesser than a cell phone bill?
For some people, it goes off of your income.
All right.
Yeah,
Giovanni, bájate.
free medical. I don't see why not. I know people that make more money than I do. And
This one lady I overheard, she has to pay like $700.
$700?
Yeah, and it was at $400 before that.
Yeah, those went up. Man, I say they're paying $150 for me. All I want to do is I want to just get on. If I can get on Obamacare for free for a little bit, I'm about to do that, and then I'm about to. But then when I get my financial aid from school, I don't think they come back because it's like government. No, but some of the money that I get from financial aid, I'm gonna get as our own healthcare plan from like Allstate or not Allstate, the Duck one. They have health insurance. The Duck insurance, like I have. So my money, like they don't even cover like some things.